Good morning, students. Today we will be doing study of atomic spectra. We've already noticed that when light is diffracted through prism, it gets split up into different components, and the record so obtained on the screen or photographic film is called spectrum. Here is a continuous emission spectrum of white light where all the different colors are overlapping with each other. This kind of spectrum is called continuous emission spectrum. When we pass an electric discharge through hydrogen gas at low pressure, the radiations emitted are passed through a prism and they split up into different colors. The lines, different lines are obtained. This kind of spectrum is called line spectrum. In case we place a solution in the path of sunlight, then this solution will absorb some of the radiations of sunlight, and the transmitted light when passed through the prism will again show a spectrum in which dark lines appear in the otherwise continuous spectrum. This kind of spectrum where light is first absorbed and the transmitted light is obtained is called absorption spectrum. So, spectra can be classified into emission spectra and absorption spectra. Emission spectra is further of two types: continuous spectra and line emission spectra. Continuous spectra is obtained when sunlight or white light is passed through prism. 7 bands of colors are obtained. These bands are overlapping with each other. They are continuous. The different colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The rainbow is an example of continuous spectrum. During the formation of rainbow, each drop of sunlight acts as a prism. Line emission spectra, here the radiations emitted from a source, for example energized hydrogen, are passed through prism to obtain a spectra. Some specific lines are observed, so it is not continuous, it is discontinuous, so it is also called discontinuous spectra. It is called line spectra, discontinuous spectra. It is also called fingerprints of elements because, for example, hydrogen will always have lines in this region, whatever the source of hydrogen may be. Similarly, helium, neon, sodium has two yellow colored lights or bands in the region 589 and 589.6 nanometer. So we can identify sodium. In emission spectra, bands appear in some specific parts of the spectrum, specific to that element. In absorption spectrum, the spectrum is otherwise continuous, but dark colored lines appear at exactly the same place where lines were appearing in the emission spectra. There now the dark lines are appearing. So Lyman is in the ultraviolet region. Paschen, Brackett and Pfund are in the infrared region. So in all, the spectrum of hydrogen contained 5 series of lines. The wavelength or the wave number of the spectral line could be calculated from a formula given by Rydberg in 1890. This formula states that 1 by lambda or wavelength is equal to nu bar or wave number is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here RH is a Rydberg's constant and its value is 1.09677 into 10 raised to power 5 centimeter inverse. These n1 and n2 are integers. Value starts from 1, 2, 3 and they depict the orbit, like this is the nucleus of atom. This is the first orbit where electron may be placed. The next orbit is called second orbit, n is equal to 2. Next will be called third, n is equal to 3. Now the lines that appear here are because when these elements are heated up or given energy, the electron may jump to a higher energy level and the atom comes to an excited state. And when this atom comes back to its ground state and jumps back to its original place, energy equal to difference of the energy of the two orbits is emitted, and this energy emitted is appearing here in the form of a line. For every series, the value of n1 is constant. For Lyman, it is always 1. But the value of n2 will be higher than 1. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, for Balmer series, which appears in the visible region, n1 is always 2, n2 can be 3, 4, 5, 6. For Bastian, which appears in the infrared region, n1 is 3, n2 can be 4, 5, 6, 7. Bracket series infrared region में आती है, n1 is 4, n2 5, 6, 7, 8. Fun series infrared region में n1 is 5. In the Lyman series, there are a number of lines. So first line may be when the electron jumps from second to first. Next line may be from third to first.